Okay, my fragrant friends, here I am again. This hell corner. See, it's swamped out. I'm going crazy with this corner. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna be honest. That box has slid down. These are all lifted, and these boxes have lifted. And I thought that with the rain and the dirt inside, it would, so it wouldn't, but it did. There's a lot of stuff that's seeped through underneath, and I think it's because of that funny bottom. Anyways, I'm done with this corner. I am done. I'm worried that my work has been ruined by overwatering, and therefore the plant's drowning. I am going to try and go in there and grab these plants and put them back in their cans, and then in like a month or so I'll try to put them back in here. Okay. This is the last time I'm messing with this. I mean, I've tried many times and it's failed, and I'm like, whatever. But you know, I want to succeed for myself, but also kind of for you. Okay. Hopefully you see what I'm doing here. Right here, I can't see where the bulb is at because I don't see any plants. So I'm just gently scraping because I know these are pretty deep. Oh, here it is. Okay. See? You just take out the whole thing right there. And I think these white ones are the gladiator ones. As far as I can recall, I only had 3. And since this one is smack dab in the middle, and it looks like the other white ones, I'm gonna go with the 99% chance that's what they are. Okay, let's keep those right there without. I think I totally buried. Oh, it's right there. Okay. Now let's do this corner. Oh my gosh. What's with this? Is that my shirt is riding up and my pants are riding down. Can't they just go in the same direction? Okay. Oop, there it is. Okay. Oh, there's two of them. That's why it's moving. Okay. This is also a double. Alright, where are you? Look at that beauty. Okay, so I mean, once again, seeing plants like this kind of makes you want to keep going instead of just giving up. So if there's any positivity in this is that I am not just gonna tell this corner to go F itself and never look at it until next year. I'm here. It's trying. I'm trying. We're all trying here. Alright. I'm almost 3, so right here it's gotta be like 2. Right? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna push all this back. Oh yeah, see right here? Okay, now there's gotta be another one like right around here somewhere. Okay. Where are you? You see that? You see this little green area? Okay, so that means there's life there. I'm gonna get those out. Just like this. Look at that. That's nice. Let's see how hard. Where are you? Yeah, right here. Okay, so it's not mushy. That's a sign. I don't know what the sign means. It's just a sign. The good thing is that this stuff is so swampy, you can seriously just do that. Like, I don't even have to try. I'm clearly the queen of wasting time. Yeah, I come over here, I check, and I don't fix it. Found you. Oh my god, this stuff is bad. This corner is bad. Ugh, this is bad. You could like seriously miss that. Looks like a, weird rock. poop rain from above. Okay, I think this one really stinks because this one is like, whatever I put in there like already rotted. And I just like released all them gases. I seriously cannot find anything in this one. And whatever I think I'm finding, I'm just like crushing. Oh, found something. This might be a center one. I don't even know what that is. It's so tiny. There you go. Oh, this is how I know it's something, because that. Ooh, like it stinks too. Found it. Ooh. Okay. This one's mushy. Nasty. I'm just gonna put it in here. Hopefully some miracle happens. That's just what happens when there's too much water. Some plants don't need that much water, some plants do. So I'm like, these ones, they're all over the place. Usually, throughout the years, weather has taught us that, you know, you don't have to worry about rain. Drought is usually the thing, and that's why they're in containers here. These containers are supposed to be solutions to the drought that we usually encounter. We knew the drought was going to be over this year. Highly doubt the drought is over.
Yeah, you want to come outside? I'm inside? Inside? Okay, hold on.
I guess if I have one suggestion of advice on how to do this, is look for potentially round objects. And I seriously highlight potentially round. And little white roots. No matter how dirty they are, you can always see the right root. White root. See what I mean by the white root? There's a bulb in there. I'd almost prefer, like in order to do this, I'd almost prefer swampy water. Because you could just like, you grab a chunk of mud and just go like this until something shows up. And over here you kind of can't, you kind of have to like... Yeah, I really have to let it... It might accidentally break apart the bulb that might be a little over mushy. Okay. Alright, so that's all I found. My family and I are gonna go on an outing right now, so I'm not gonna do anything with all these. When my dog attacks it, I'm gonna be super pissed at my dog, but I'm not gonna like, you know, do anything about it. Because I'm done with this corner. I am seriously done with this part of my experiment. I don't even know what to call this at this time.